So what is this question? Consider the situation shown in figure. Calculate the acceleration of 1 kg block, the tension in the string connecting the 1 kg block, and the tension in the string attached to 0.5 kg block. So we have to find the acceleration and we have to find the tensions. Okay, so tension, suppose here is T1 and here it is T2. Masses are, suppose these are called A. We name it. This is suppose A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, this is T1 and this is T2. So now what we are going to do is we will write the forces equation for all the blocks. So T2 is pulling here, T2 is pulling, T1 is pulling this direction, T1 is pulling in this direction, and this one is pulled by T2. So the whole system may accelerate downward because downward it is pulling. So we can take acceleration downward is as A. So this one will go with A, and this one will also go with A. So we can write the equation. So first, if we write for C, if you write for C, it is coming down, so gravity is acting there, mcg. So mcg downward minus tension upward equal to mca. So we can write like this, mcg downward minus T2 upward equal to mca. So we can put all these values. So mcg is how much? 0.5 kg. 0.5 into 10 minus T2 equal to 0.5 A. Okay, so we are getting 5 minus T2 equal to 0.5 A. So this is equation 1. Similarly, we will write for B. For B, if we write for B, you can see there are two forces in horizontal and there are other forces, like one is T2, another is T1, and then we have mbg downward, and then we have upward force, that is normal. Suppose we call it nb. Okay, normal from the ground. So we can write like this. So first we will find normal here. So normal, how much will be the normal? nb. The nb will be equal to mbg. Okay, then after that the tension T2 minus T1 minus friction. Oh, one friction will also be there, because when the object will be pulled here, there will be some friction also. So friction will also act in this direction. Friction. Suppose we call it FB, the friction on B. Okay, so friction will also act. So T2 minus T1 minus friction, that is equal to MB into A. Okay, so if we solve it, we are going to get T2 minus T1, and FB is how much? Mu times normal. So mu times normal NB equal to NBA. Next step we can write T2 minus T1 minus normal is how much? MBG. So mu times MBG. So that is MBA. So this much we are going to get. So if you put all the values, T2 minus T1 minus, so mu is how much? 0.2. 0.2, and MB is how much? 1 kg. 1 into 10, and MB is 1 into A. So we are getting T2 minus T1 minus 2 equal to A. So this is equation 2. Similarly for 3, for C. For C, if you see, for A, C we have already done. For A, if you see, there is a tension pulling in this direction, T1. Then there will be friction, FA friction. Then there is a normal, NA, and then there is a downward force, MAG. So these are the forces. Now, so again, normal will be what? NA will be MAG, and tension minus FA equal to MAA. We can write like this. So how much is tension? Tension is this much, mu times Na equal to MAA. So tension is how much? Tension is okay, if you put mu MAG equal to MAA. So if you put all the values of masses, so T1 minus 0.2 into 1 into 10 equal to 1 into A. So that is T1 minus 2 equal to A. So this is equation 3. Now we have all the three equations. So what we can do, if you want to find acceleration, we can add all of three. We can add all the three equations. 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you do 1 plus 2 plus 3, the tension, you can see that T1 will get cancelled from here. T2 will get cancelled. This 2T will get cancelled. And we are left with 5 minus 2 equal to 0.5A plus A plus A. So that is A 2.5A equal to 1. So A is 1 by 2.5. Okay. So that will be 2 by 5. So this will be how much? 0.4 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration part. Now we can find the tension. So for tension, if you use equation 1, from equation 1, for tensions, we can use equation 1. From equation 1, if you see, the T2 will be equal to 5 minus 0.5A. T2 will go on the other side of 5 minus 0.5A. So 5 is there, minus 0.5 and in 0.4. So 5 minus 0.2. So we are getting 4.8 Newton. Okay, we are getting 4.8 Newton. Now the second tension, suppose we want to find this one. We want to find T1. For that, equation 3. From equation 3, if you see T1 will be how much? 2 plus A. So 2 and A is how much? 0.4. So 2.4 Newton. Okay. So these are the two answers. So these are the two tensions. So at T2 means this one. The T2 which we are getting is 4.8 Newton, and T1 here we are getting 2.4 Newton. So these are the answers.